Today, you will witness the hidden process behind one of the world's most fascinating food productions.
Inside this unbelievable facility, machines never stop moving, and every second brings another fresh cake to life.
What begins as simple ingredients soon transforms into millions of beautiful cakes enjoyed by families around the world.
Today, you will witness the hidden process behind one of the world's most fascinating food productions. You will see every machine, every ingredient, and every incredible step behind modern cake production.
All right, you're clear. Head to Bay 3. Copy that. Bay 2, bring it around now.
Flour, sugar, butter, eggs, and milk are carefully transported into the heart of the factory. But every ingredient entering this factory must first pass strict quality inspections.
Experts carefully test freshness, cleanliness, and safety before production can even begin.
Even the eggs are processed by machines designed for perfect speed and precision.
After inspection, every ingredient moves into specialized storage systems controlled entirely by computers. Behind the scenes, powerful computer systems control almost every step of the production process.
And now, the real magic finally begins inside these giant industrial mixers.
One by one, every ingredient is added with exact computerized precision.
For chocolate cakes, rich cocoa powder and thick chocolate syrup are blended into the mixture.
Within minutes, the ingredients transform into a smooth and fragrant cake batter.
Even the smallest mistake could ruin thousands of cakes, so every detail is constantly monitored. Once ready, the batter travels through automated pipelines toward the filling section.
These incredible machines can fill hundreds of trays in only a few seconds. Every tray receives exactly the same amount of batter with astonishing accuracy. Now the cakes begin their journey into the hottest section of the factory.
These enormous industrial ovens stretch for meters and operate at extremely high temperatures. Inside the ovens, soft batter slowly rises into fluffy sponge cakes. The smell of fresh cake fills the factory as thousands of perfectly baked cakes emerge. But even after baking, the cakes are still too hot for packaging or decoration.
If packed too early, trapped moisture could completely ruin the texture of the cakes.
So the cakes travel through long cooling lines where industrial fans slowly reduce their temperature.
This cooling process helps create the soft and fluffy texture people love so much. Now some cakes enter the slicing section, where precision machines cut them into perfect layers.
These machines are so accurate that every layer looks almost completely identical.
The freshly sliced layers now move toward one of the most delicious stages of production.
Robotic systems spread rich cream between each layer with incredible speed and precision.
For chocolate cakes, thick, creamy fillings create an even richer flavor.
Some cakes receive strawberry, fruit, or caramel fillings, designed to attract every sweet lover.
And now begins the stage that transforms simple cakes into beautiful desserts.
Robotic decorating systems create
create perfect cream designs within only a few seconds.
Thick, melted chocolate flows across the cakes like a smooth waterfall of sweetness. Colorful toppings and decorations make every cake look even more irresistible.
But some premium cakes still receive their final touches from experienced human hands.
This is where a simple factory cake slowly becomes a masterpiece.
By now, thousands of freshly decorated cakes are moving through the production line every hour. But before packaging, every cake must survive another strict inspection process.
Advanced sensors automatically check the weight, size, and appearance of every single cake.
If even a small defect is detected, the cake is immediately removed from production. Only the best cakes continue toward the fast-moving packaging section. These powerful machines can wrap and seal thousands of cakes every single hour. Every package is automatically labeled with branding, dates, and production information.
After packaging, the cakes are organized into giant shipping cartons for delivery.
Forklifts work non-stop to move thousands of fresh cakes toward waiting delivery trucks. And now, the final stage of the factory journey finally begins.
Thousands of freshly packed cakes are carefully loaded into delivery trucks every single day.
Within hours, these trucks begin traveling towards cities, markets, and bakery shops across the region.
While most people are still sleeping, the cake deliveries are already racing through the streets.
By early morning, fresh cakes begin arriving at local bakeries and neighborhood shops. Soon, bakery shelves become packed with chocolate cakes, vanilla cakes, and colorful desserts.
Some cakes even reach busy street vendors selling sweet treats across crowded neighborhoods.
For many children, these cakes are the most exciting part of the day.
Families often stop by after work to pick up cakes for tea, celebrations, and special moments.
Every soft layer, every cream filling, and every chocolate topping tells the story of this massive production process.
For some people, these cakes become the center of unforgettable birthday celebrations.
For others, they become part of weddings, anniversaries, and life's happiest memories.
A simple cake made inside a factory can eventually become a moment of pure happiness.
Behind every cake stands the hard work of hundreds of workers and countless powerful machines.
Day and night, this giant factory continues producing cakes without slowing down. And every stage of the process is designed to create cakes that look as beautiful as they taste. From raw ingredients to finished desserts, every step depends on speed, precision, and technology.
It is almost unbelievable how many cakes can be produced inside a single factory every day.
Even late at night, the factory never truly sleeps. Because somewhere, another family is waiting to celebrate with a fresh cake. What looks simple from the outside is actually the result of an enormous industrial process.
Gigantic machines, skilled workers, and non-stop production lines all work together for one purpose:
To bring sweetness, joy, and unforgettable moments into people's lives.
And this incredible journey repeats itself again and again. every single day.
If you enjoyed exploring this incredible cake factory, tell us your favorite cake flavor and subscribe.
Some of the factory's most satisfying moments happen during the final chocolate coating process.
After production ends, enormous cleaning systems sanitize every machine for the next day's operation.
Strict hygiene and safety rules help keep every product clean and safe for customers.
Before sunrise arrives again, thousands more cakes are already waiting for delivery.
From our ovens to your family, we craft every moment with joy.